Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two things: admin access and a stable power source so the process won't fail mid-task. Once done, check whether your disk is MBR or GPT and note the OS build. This matters for which recovery tools to recreate. Next, prepare a USB drive of at least 8 GB and a second working computer to create recovery media. As you do this, keep a list of drive letters and device names so you won't guess later. Now rebuild the recovery environment step by step. First, create a bootable USB with the installation ISO or media creation tool. This supplies WinRE. Wim when needed. Then, on the broken PC, use diskpart to assign and format a small NTFS partition. Copy the recovery/Windows RE folder or extract WinRE. Wim from the ISO and place it in that partition. Finally, run reagent with the /setrimage and /enable switches so Windows knows where WinRE lies. Finish by testing recovery. Use Shift plus Restart or the boot menu key to enter WinRE and confirm options like Reset, System Restore, and Safe Mode appear. If reagent returns errors, check that the WinRE Wim matches the OS build, that the partition is hidden and marked recovery, and that paths are correct. If problems persist, perform an in-place repair install from the USB to restore a compatible WinRE image. This preserves files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.